still, and I am here to tackle about the difference between raster charts and vector charts. What is navigational chart? It is a digital map used for safe navigation at sea. Shows coastline, depths, hazard, buoys, and more. There are two types of charts, the raster charts and the vector chart. Raster navigational chart or RNC. It is an image scan of a paper chart. Looks exactly like the paper version. Cannot be changed or adjusted. If it is zoom, it is blurry. And the vector navigational chart is made from digital data. Objects are separate layers like land, buoys, and depth. If it is zoom, it is clear. And it is in vector chart is an interactive chart, which is you can adjust, set alarms, it can be edited, and it, it, it can be, there are more features that can be used in vector charts, unlike the raster navigational chart. It is only image and just like the papers, and not editable nor not interactive. And the vector chart has layers and made of digital, which it is easy to use, and you can set alarms and any other features. Chart layers in this. Types of layers in vector chart or VNC. Information layers, built-in data, depths, symbols, and routes. User chart layers, data added by the user, notes, lines, waypoints. Event graphic layer, temporary events, example, man overboard, grounding alert. It can be seen in vector navigational chart. Now in features, vector chart versus raster chart. Their differences is in terms of structure. Vector chart is data based or object, and the raster chart is scanned image or bitmap. In zoom behavior, scales of vector chart is clear, and in raster chart may pixelated when zoom in. In terms of interactivity, the vector chart is high objects are clickable, while the raster chart is low or just an image. In updates, vector chart is incremental or data blocks, while in raster chart is full of partial chart image update. File size, usually the vector chart is smaller and the raster chart is larger because, as what I've said, it is an image. And file size, vector chart is larger, each chart is full image, while the the in size larger is the raster because it's full image, and the vector chart is smaller only. Updates, so that's all. Why it matters: safe navigation, better decision making, and the VNC is real-time monitoring. With VNC, customization is possible. So in summary, RNC is a scanned paper map, VNC is smart digital interactive chart. Layers help organize and use data more effectively. Vector charts are the future of navigation. So what the required of the IMO is the vector navigational chart because it is easy to use and a modern type of chart. That's all. Thank you.